my sister.
So? If she looked over here and saw you study me, would you expect her to get up and leave?
If you're a huge fan of the Harry Potter series, then you'll love the sweet and foamy soda drink called Butterbeer. Learn how to make a chilled glass at home with our easy Harry Potter Butterbeer recipe. First, pour the butterscotch syrup into a bowl, then add the softened butter. Mix the syrup and butter to combine. You can also enjoy an alcoholic version by replacing the syrup with 1 to 2 ounces of butterscotch liqueur and vodka. Next, combine the cream soda with the butterscotch mixture and stir. Finally, serve in chilled beer mugs to keep the butterbeer cold, then top it off with a swirl of whipped cream. This saves you 2 sickles to spin out of 3 broomsticks, and you get to enjoy a homemade version anytime. Enjoy!
I can remember when it was 1 broomstick. All hands on deck, Granger.
Anyone fancy a butterbeer?
You'll be welcome too, Granger.
I'd be delighted, sir.
Splendid. Look for my owl.